I'm starting off my recipe with measuring the milk because this is the main ingredient for yogurt, and I'm using 3 liters of milk. This is pasteurized milk. A quick tip is to make sure that every equipment, everything you're going to use in this recipe is clean, it's sterilized, because you want to do the right thing and you want to get the best results. And now that I have done all the preparation, I have weighed my milk, and this is the quantity that I want to go right ahead and make my yogurt with. Now I'm going to sieve everything. That's 1 liter, and then I'm going to go right ahead and add 2 more liters. I'm making 3 liters of yogurt. So I'm passing it through a sieve just to make sure there are no impurities and my milk is clean. Now I'll put my milk on the flame and then wait for it to bubble up. When making yogurt, you keep the milk between 180 degrees and 190 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 82 to 88 degrees centigrade, for at least 10 minutes and up to 30 minutes. The key to making yogurt is to keep a mixture of milk and starter culture at about 110 degrees Fahrenheit to 115 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 5 hours. Something else that I forgot to mention, you can actually use fresh cow's milk. Yes, just make sure that you boil it to the temperature that I have stated before so that you get the best yogurt, and it's actually going to be thick because it's full fat. But I'm using ATM milk because I'm in Nairobi and this is the milk I can get. If you don't have a thermometer, you can still eyeball your milk. This is around the time you begin to see steam rise, but before it boils. Heating helps to denature the protein, so you'll get yogurt that sets well. For even thicker yogurt, turn the heat down low and simmer the milk for 5 minutes. So we are going to remove this from the flame. We will let our milk cool to 44 degrees centigrade. For my culture, I'm going to use yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt you prefer. I'm using natural yogurt. All our local yogurts in the market have live culture, so for this batch, because it's a fresh batch I'm gonna use the yogurt culture, which is in these store-bought yogurts. This is my mixing bowl. I'm going to pour in my milk over here. Remember, you can mix this in a plastic container, a glass bowl, but no metallic containers. Now that our milk is here, what we are going to do is add in our culture with the yogurt and then mix it slowly. I have added in my yogurt. And what I'm going to do is just to stir slowly and make sure everything is mixed well together. I'm also using a plastic spoon to stir in my mixture. Make sure you're not using any metallic tool here. Stir in well together, and when this is done, I'm going to show you the next process. Now that my milk is well mixed up with the yogurt, I'm just going to take up my cling film and cover my bowl well. I like to do this and make sure that I have covered it airtight. Just stretch your cling film in your bowl well like this and get a perfect mold. I'll run it once more just to make sure that everything is covered nicely. So right now I'm done with my kitchen, and I'm just going to let my yogurt rest over here without moving it. So this is how I like to prep my space where I'm going to put my bowl, because you want a warm temperature. The kitchen is warm because I have been cooking. So with this, I'm going right ahead to use my Masai sugar because it just keeps good warmth on the yogurt. So I'll go right ahead and spread it over there. Then pick up my bowl and place it over there, and then cover it. This is going to be the home of the yogurt in cooking until 24 hours are done. Make sure you're not moving this bowl on and off because it needs to set and be ready. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to let it breathe over there for the next 24 hours, and I'll see you guys then. 24 hours later, and we want to check our yogurt and how it has formed. So that's what we are going to do right now. Here is our yogurt, so we'll go right ahead and actually just remove this cling film. Here is our yogurt, and it has formed nicely. So what we want to do here is to stir it and get an even consistency. This is how it looks on a close look. So yeah, let's go right ahead and stir it. We're just going to stir it just slowly until we get that smoothness. You will remember I'm using still my plastic or silicone spoons. This is how our yogurt is looking right now. Really smooth, thick, just the way I love it. That's the consistency, if you can tell. It's perfect. So this is how I store my yogurt. I'll put it in these glass jars and I'll keep it for 10 days in my fridge, and that time you can use it and it will still taste so good. Actually, it's going to thicken more when you put it in the fridge, and that's how you make your yogurt. If you want to add fruits onto it, like strawberries and stuff like that, apples, pears, then you can blend the fruit itself. I like to use natural fruits because this is home use yogurt, so I don't use colorings and all those things. I use natural fruits to add into it, but you know, I'm a fan of natural yogurt. This is just the base, and then the rest you can switch to your liking. That's how you make yogurt, and I hope you loved this video. Enjoy, and let's keep learning and growing together. For my flavored yogurt, this is how I do it. Remember, this is home yogurt, so I always avoid to use any more chemicals or food colors in my yogurt because that's why I'm making it at home. So what I usually do, if it's vanilla flavored, I'll look for the ponds. If they are not easy to find, I go with natural fruits. Like now, I'm going to show you how I make my strawberry one and the pineapple one. So let's go with the strawberry one for now, and I show you. I take fresh strawberries I can buy from the store and then clean them, blind them, or just blend them, and then I'll add it to my yogurt just to add the natural flavor of the yogurt. And then I am so sure that my homemade yogurt is as natural as it can get, and it has all the flavors, all the nutrients, and all the goodness in it. So let's jump right into it. That everything is ready. We have the base of our yogurt, which is this 1 glass of yogurt over here. This is what I'm going to use, and then I have my clean strawberries, so I'm just going to put them in my blender over here, blend everything up, and then I'm going to show you the next step of how to mix them with my yogurt. So I'm going to put in the yogurt and put the whole glass to make the base, that much, and then I'm going to add in my strawberries. Remember, you need to clean them, double clean them, because you want them to be clean and to be as fresh. Just make sure that you are having a good consistency with everything. This is so far what I have, and I'll continue blending it. I may blend it a little bit more. This is my strawberry blend. of the yogurt. So what I'm going to do is add it in to my yogurt that I want it to be strawberry flavored. Yeah, berries have seeds, so I suggest that if you don't like these seeds in strawberries, you can pass them through a sieve before you add this mixture to your yogurt. Okay, so I'll start with the base of what I want. This much yogurt is what I wanted to add to strawberry. So, and then I'll add my strawberry over there. And then I'll make sure I mix everything together. Let's do it in a clean plastic spoon again. Oops. I'll mix everything together. Yeah, and there we got it. Now that this is done, our yogurt is well mixed. Look at this beautiful color. Oops. This is the beautiful color we are looking for. Strawberry yogurt, natural. And then I'm going to pour this into my glass container and actually store it. Yes. So this is how I make my strawberry yogurt at home. At this time, if you want to add any sweetener or sugar to your yogurt for sweetening it, this is the place where you do that, and then you can store your yogurt for use. So now that my strawberry yogurt is ready, I'm just going to pour it here for storage. And this is how I make my strawberry yogurt at home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, you learned a tip or two. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, please do try these and you're going to have fun, and also you're going to enjoy the best yogurt at home, and you're gonna be happy because you did something yourself. Bye.